Hey gorgeous, let's turn your closure wig from helmet looking to a natural looking wig. I'm going to be sharing some top secrets on what you can do to make your closure wig look amazing. The first step is every time, this is a good secret guys, number one secret is do not pluck your line when you're making a parting. If you do that, over time that parting will have a huge bald spot in the middle. It's not going to be cute. Secret number two, use a wax stick when you want to pluck. Don't use water, because when you use water it makes you take out more hair than you should, and you don't want to mess up, especially when you're dealing with client wigs. This is a client's wig that she brought for us to fix, so we do not want to make a mistake. Secret 3, take out the thin hair in front and start plucking behind it. Secret 4, use a slanted tweezer. You'll thank me later. Secret 5, when you start plucking, pluck going towards the side. Don't pluck going backwards. Plant towards the side because it makes it look more natural when you do that. Secret 6, make sure that you pluck, leave a space, pluck, leave a space, pluck, leave a space, like that, and you will be good to go. Plucking is really not that challenging. It's just a matter of practice and watching other videos. I learned by watching other videos. Now it's really easy for us, especially because we specialize in this every day. We're plucking wigs, we're fixing wigs, we're doing the whole thing, so you'll get used to it. So after that, I just hot comb it back so that I can go in and pluck where it looks thick. Then I'll be done plucking the side. So it's not that hard, especially because this one was thin. Other clients, they wigs are much thicker, but I will upload a video like that in case you bought a wig and it's super thick. It happens. It's not the end of the world. You can fix it. So then we're going to repeat the same process on this side. As you can see, this side looks a little bit more thick than the other side. Remember that other secret, I think it was secret 5 or so, or 4. I basically said you must pluck going to the side. You can see here we're plucking moving sideways. We are not plucking going backwards. We're plucking moving sideways so that it can look more natural. Secret number 7 is that you should always change your tweezer. Don't use the same tweezer for months and months and months. Change it, because you need one that's sharp and that's alive so that you can get a good result. So change your tweezer. That's secret number 7. Secret number 8 is probably the most important. You need to shape your wig. If you'd like to go for the whole M shape, you should do this part. So you shape it like a M. So it's basically when you you have a widow's peak. Some people have the widow's peak, which is the piece in the middle of their hairline. So you want to now shape it out like that and take it out using the small tweezer. This small tweezer works perfectly. It's sharp. It doesn't have like a slanted side. It's just sharp. So as you can see, I'm taking out these hair pieces because we're going for that M hairline, a hairline where the widow's peak is really just out there. It's sticking out, it makes it look more natural, and it actually makes your closure look more like a frontal. So then I'm just going in with it to create that shape. Some people use it by just cutting it in that shape, but everything is all about preference. You can skip that step if you need to. Secret number 8, you want to spray your holding spray on your comb and then smooth it into your hairline. This secret is the best of all of them. If you've plucked correctly, you've washed, you've treated your hair nicely, you've bleached the knots, This is all you need to take your hair to the next level. This will really make your hair look super classy, super stylish. You will see when I use the hot comb. So all you need is a holding spray, a comb, and a hot comb. This is the finishing touches that we do for most of the looks. It's so good. It's so nice. When the client puts the wig on, it just melts. It looks perfect. It looks natural, like it's coming from the scalp, like it's a fresh relaxer. So yeah, finish off with the holding spray, hot comb, and your comb, and then you will see. So I'm just smoothing it out like that, smoothing it to go backwards, giving it a direction. The more neat your hairline is, the better your install will be, or when you just put the wig on, it will look so much better. After doing that, I just comb the hair to the sides at the back so that we can create this look. Can you see what I was talking about when I was talking about you plucking out those pieces to create the M hairline? Look at how nice and natural this shape is. It is stunning. Look at that. Stunning, right? Love, love, love. And this looked amazing on our client. The only thing is, some clients, they don't like it when you like take pictures of them and stuff, so we didn't take pictures, but she looked really good. So then I just want to make it a bit more flat again. I just go in with my hot comb on top, and I'm done. I just need to do finishing touches here and there. Look at that. With my blow dryer, it looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Look at it. It is ready for my client. Do you remember the before? The before was horrendous. Well, not that horrible. We've seen worse, but look at that. Look at how nice it is. I am in love. This is when we put it on our mannequin head. Stunning, babe. Stunning, 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 stunning. I hope some of those secrets help you. I will catch you guys in the next video. Mwah.